Have you ever spent hours copying data from invoices, receipts, bank statements, or PDFs into Excel? It's slow, it's repetitive, and one tiny typo can create a huge problem. But what if AI could do all that work for you in minutes? Today, I'm reviewing DigiParser, an AI-powered document automation tool that's designed to eliminate manual data entry once and for all. Let's check it out. DigiParser is an AI document extraction platform that reads PDFs, scanned documents, invoices, receipts, purchase orders, bank statements, resumes, and many other file types. Instead of manually typing information into spreadsheets, DigiParser automatically extracts the important data and converts it into clean, structured formats like Excel, CSV, JSON, or XML. Whether you're an accountant, bookkeeper, agency owner, freelancer, or operations team, DigiParser helps automate repetitive document processing and integrate the results into your existing workflow. Here's what makes DigiParser stand out. Bulk processing upload hundreds of documents at once, and DigiParser processes them automatically instead of forcing you to upload files one by one. Custom AI parsers. Create dedicated parsers for invoices, receipts, bank statements, shipping documents, resumes, or almost any document type. Pre-built templates. Don't want to build everything from scratch? DigiParser already includes ready-made templates for common business documents. Automatic email processing. Every parser comes with its own email address. Simply forward attachments from Gmail or Outlook, and DigiParser processes them automatically. No manual uploads required. Smart AI classification. Mixed document types? No problem. Invoices go to the invoice parser. Bank statements go to the bank statement parser. Everything is routed automatically. Multiple export options. Export your data to CSV, Excel, JSON, XML, Google Sheets, Zapier, QuickBooks, webhooks, APIs, and many other business tools. One thing I really like is how beginner-friendly it is. There's no complicated setup. Just upload your files or simply email them. The AI detects the document structure automatically, extracts the important fields, and prepares everything for export. Even if you're processing hundreds of invoices every month, DigiParser can dramatically reduce manual work while improving consistency and accuracy. Right now, DigiParser is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and get lifetime access instead of another monthly subscription. Plans start at just $69, include a 60-day money-back guarantee, and offer multiple license tiers if your business needs higher document limits. If your business deals with invoices, receipts, PDFs, or any repetitive document processing, DigiParser can save you countless hours every month. Check out the AppSumo link in the description before the lifetime deal ends. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AppSumo lifetime deal reviews, AI software, and productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.